Hey, what's up, everyone? Good evening. So, welcome back. So, I'm so excited for this episode, guys, because our Lumi's Playbook series is now evolving to Wrong Podcast. So, my name is Lumi from Lumi's Playbook, and I'm so excited to introduce our guests for tonight. So, from our last episode, we do have our boy streamer who were able to give us an insight and was able to share their personal experience as a streamer and a Ragnarok player. And this time, it's about girl power, everyone. So, without any further ado, let me introduce to you our guest from Cheska Marie VS. Hello, Cheska! Hi, Cheska!
Annyeong Chingu! Hello, good evening. Hi, Lumi.
Hello,
Thank you for
Cheska.
inviting me here.
You're very much
Hi,
welcome.
guys.
So I want to introduce our very special guest for tonight, guys, because I want you to at least know or kilalanin pa si Cheska. Dahil lang narinig sa Cheska Marie VS ay itong kagandahang babaeng ere at nakikita niyo sa mga pictures. Oh, ganda-ganda ni Cheska ngayon, no? Now, for our intro for this one, Cheska, kalmahan lang natin kasi kanina kinakabahan talaga si Cheska. 30 minutes na po siyang kinakabahan.
Ang lamig na ng kamay ko.
Ayan, ang lamig ko ng kamay niya, nagkape na po siya, mga kaibigan. And then our supporters right now from different GCs are so excited for Cheska because we have prepared questions for her. For her talaga ang ating mga questions.
Wala, hindi
sa
ako
kanya.
nag-review.
Hindi naman to, entrance exam? Hindi naman to entrance exam. So, more on your personal preference here. But, this is not my time. I won't take the spotlight no longer. But, for us to know more about Cheska, let me ask you this. For the very first time, especially for the new viewers na hindi alam kung sino si Cheska, who is Cheska Marie VS beyond Ragnarok streamer and a gamer?
So, ayun, I am Cheska Marie VS. Aside from streaming ROM, I also do content creating. And, ayun, office worker sa umaga, nanay sa gabi. all around.
O, diba?
Ayan.
Girl power talaga. Kaya nga siya talaga yung guest for today's episode because I want to introduce this woman, this power woman who were able to balance everything. Ay! Kinakabahan pala si Cheska. Hindi. Alam nyo guys, yung tipong Hindi mo palagi si Cheska, parang kinakabahan pa siya, hindi niya alam. Hindi kasi niya alam ang questions. She doesn't know about the line of
Oo.
questions. So, parang we breathe in, breathe out. So, to kick things off, Cheska, kasi I know, Cheska Marie. But then again, what's the purpose of VS dun sa pangalan ng stream mo? I mean, Cheska Marie VS. Pwede naman Cheska Marie. Or pwede Cheska Gaming. Why Cheska Marie VS?
Actually, Cheska Marie VS, yung VS talaga stands for my maiden name and yung surname ko nung kinasal na ako. Yun, VS. So, Venus, si Bongga. yun yung ibig sabihin. No? Pero sabi nila, ibig sabihin daw ng VS, very sungit.
Parang hindi naman very sungit. For a short time that I was able to talk to Cheska, she's really kind. She's really accommodating. Kasi may moment ako na sobrang late na ako. Ayun, nandun siya sa PC, hinihintay lang ako. So, yun bang masungit sa inyo? So, I would disagree with that kind of parang critic kay Cheska because she is really kind. I mean, sobrang accommodating na Cheska. Hey! Kinakabahan na lang kay Cheska. But then again, let's go and proceed with something more personal about the game. When was the time that you actually fell in love with the game? I mean, was there any moment that nasabi mo sarili mo na, shit, parang, this game is really for me. This game is something that I can spend my siesta time. Was there any specific time? And what was the reason behind it? What specific reason?
Siguro since sumali ako sa Demigods, ayun. Kasi nga, di ba, nung nag-start talaga ako from day 1, tapos, nung after a few months, nag-stop ako, and then, nung pandemic time, bumalik ulit ako sa game, tapos, ayan, may mga nasalihan ng mga ilang children. Pero nung nasa Demi ako that time, nakasama ko sila Boss Pat, sila Herlene, ayan. Para kasi, talagang yung support din nila sa akin, para sa growth ng character, no? Ayun, kaya parang sabi ko nga, hanggat may naglalaro ng ROM, hindi ako mag-quit, maglalaro pa din ako.
Hanggang magsara.
ROM hanggang magsara.
ROM hanggang magsara. So, ano yung naging rason mo naman, parang nag-transition ka into a streamer? Parang, bakit naman napasok sa pagiging streamer naman?
Ayun, dati kasi nag-a-assist ako kay Kawanui Gaming, if yung iba sa inyo familiar kay Kawanui Gaming, no? Ang usual na stream niya before is Nolan Roll. Ako yung tiga-lista ng mga humuhula sa kanya, minsan tiga-uwu. Tapos, parang gusto ko ding i-try mag-stream. So, noong 2023, doon ako nag-start mag-stream.
2023. So, 2023 up until this year, was there a specific challenge na nasabi mo na ang hirap naman ito bilang content creator and bilang streamer? Can you actually remember a certain scenario na sabi mo, ay, ang hirap nito na hindi mo makakalimutan?
Siguro nung mga bandang 2024 na nagsabay kasi hindi ko lang kung pwede kong banggitin. Di ba nag-i-stream ako tapos sa isang app nag-affiliate ako. Gumagawa ako ng content. So, parang kailangan kong mamili ano yung ipa-priority ko. Yung pag-i-stream ko sa ROM, syempre alam naman natin, wala naman tayong kinikita dito. Or dun sa pag-affiliate ko na pwede ako mag-earn. Kaya nung time na yon, ilang buwan ako nag-stop mag-stream. Aminado naman ako na nag-stop talaga ako mag-stream nun.
So, that was between
2024. Mga around, ano lang naman, 3 months siguro. July to September, mga ganun. Hindi ko na matandaan yung exact na year.
Masyado tayong malungkot sa challenge. Ito naman, was there any specific part naman na sobrang natuwa? Yung tipong sabi mo na, ang saya pa rin streamer ng ROM. Parang wala
Lagi! Hindi lagi. Kahit na sinasabi nila ako lagi akong galit sa stream, basta makita ko lang na may nanonood, may mga nakiki-engage dun sa stream ko. Parang, ayun, fulfilling naman.
Sobrang nakaka-fulfill, no? Pag nakakatulog siya.
Mm-mm.
Alam mo, kanina pa ako titig kay Cheska because she reminded me of one of my friend na streamer din. Ang dahilan din kung bakit nandito si Cheska. Parang, kilala nating dalawa yun. Pero ayaw niyang pabanggit yung pangalan. Pero, right now, when I'm actually talking to you, it's like talking to her as well. Kasi ganyan na ganyan yung vibes namin pag nag-uusap. Na
Sino yan? Sorry,
Sino ba? Sino ba? Hindi ko nga alam kung nanonood siya ngayon eh. So if ever that you know about Game Stella, yan, binanggit ko na ha.
Si Stella! Si Stella. Hi,
Yung aura niyo dalawa, sobrang same talaga. It's like I'm talking to her. Sayang nga kasi nga medyo busy daw siya this past few days. But then again, let's proceed with the second segment of our interview. Are you currently a PvE or PvE, PvP, or both?
Yung totoo, PvE talaga. Pero ngayong season ng MP, medyo pumapasok na ng konti. Pero hindi pa naman talaga competitive na wala naman kaming practice. Pero tinatry pa rin ng mga ka-team ko.
Relate ako dyan. Kasi yung first day, compy daw kami, pero first day of MP, yun ang first day of practice din. So, more on PvE side ka. And now, you're entering and trying for the PvP for a change naman siguro. Para may iba naman. So, in terms of PvE or PvP, let's go in both part of the game. Let's talk about the meta right now. With the constant balancing updates. Ito na! Kinakabahan na si Cheska. Ito ang kanyang personal preference.
Parang hindi ko alam kung may masasagot ako dito.
So, with the constant balancing updates of the game, the introduction of different hero classes, what is your current main class and why does it fit your playstyle so well? So, for all the hero classes, ano yung gamit mo at relate ka dito as a gamer?
So, sa ngayon, ang gamit ko is yung LMX, Lumosing. Kasi from being a saint since 2021, tapos, ayun na, nung kinuha nila ako dun sa team, ay sabi nila mag-LMX daw ako. Ayaw nila nung saint ko, dapain daw, charot. Kaya yun yung ko, pinapractice ko ngayon both in MP tsaka sa GPG. Pero sa PBE, ang ginagamit ko, Bell.
Si Bell.
Yung converter na Bell lang.
Anong favorite skin mo ni LMX na sobrang natutuwa?
Big Bang Shumai!
Ay, sino naman? Pasyomay!
Shumai! Samahan niyo ng chili garlic.
Shumai na yan eh. So, do you prefer kasi nagsabi ka Bell, nagsabi ka rin ng LMX. Do you prefer support game style or carrier?
Sanay na ako mag-support, kaya siguro yung support talaga. Although, syempre, ini-aim ko pa din mag-DPS, pero hindi kaya eh. Hindi ako para dun siguro talaga.
Ako nga, one time nga parang nag-transition ako to DPS. Parang ang hirap, no? Kasi parang naghahanap ka ng reso, naghahanap ka ng heal, naghahanap ka ng susuportahan. Yung pala, ikaw yung frontliner, ikaw pa yung dapa, ikaw pa yung masisi.
Tapos, pag may namatay, makita mo yung dahon, pindutin mo, ire-reso mo sila. So, na sinasanay ka na ikaw yung taga-reso.
Diba? Do you have preference that you want to resurrect? Yun na talaga yung naging game style mo or gameplay mo. So, if you had to pick one class in the game right now that is completely overrated, one that massively needs to be changed or balanced, what is that class?
Ang hirap Siguro yung sa ngayon na yung ewan ko, parang hindi siya need ng balance, pero kailangan ma-fix yung bug ni Himmel.
No?
Himmel Mess. Grabe yung lag.
Pader na talaga nakita namin.
Paglabas mo na safe zone, wala na, ganyan-ganyan na yung lakad nung character.
And that was actually recent lang talaga na experience. That was last night. Everyone was able to experience the lag. Sobrang, they need to make an adjustment. But then again, Ragnarok was able to make a statement out of it. Parang 2 hours ago, they were able to create a publication material stating that they acknowledge the lag. So, it's a good thing that they were able to hear us out naman din kahit papano. Now, for this part naman, kasi sabi mo, nagta-transition ka to PvP and that's good kasi you're trying to explore. Ay, wow! Naka-promote pa tayo, explore with me. You're trying to explore other concept and other aspect of Ragnarok. So for competitive PvP content like War of Imperium or 6v6, what do you think? Ay, medyo controversial. What do you think is the most toxic or annoying team composition right now? Yung sabi mo itong 6 na to, ugh, I hate this. I hate to fight this kind of compo.
Oh my God. Ano ba? Sa mga nakalaban namin, team composition, siguro may mga double Ellie. Double Ellie na, double nameless pa, mga ganon.
Di sana nagdoble-doble na lang. Puro Ellie na lang dapat. double NL, nameless, double Ellie. Tapos ano pa yung dalawa?
LMX.
Ano pa
Tsaka
yun?
SB.
Ice.
SB.
Ay, SB? Ay, sabagay. Yung Soulbinder.
So, bagay, yung ice mo ano din eh.
Pero tinry mo mag-SB before? Tinry mo mag-Soulbinder?
Hindi. Actually, hindi ko pa siya na-unlock.
Ay, wow. Yung na-unlock?
Hindi ko siya na-unlock.
In-unlock ko siya after ng R, hindi ko na binalikan. Ang daming pindutin, sobra, for a support type. Doon talaga mag-challenge pagiging support type po doon. At we are getting a lot of questions right now from the comment section, Cheska, so be ready later sa last segment natin. Kasi mukhang tuwang-tuwa
Kalmahan
sila
nyo!
O yung manda daw kayo guys, kasi ba matatandaan kayo ni Cheska niyan dahil magraran pa siya. Huwag kayong ganyan. Anyway, let's proceed on this part. Kasi sabi mo, transitioning to PvP. Kung kanina sa streaming, may mga memorable ka, ano yung pinaka-unforgettable moment mo during a war or a PvP? Yung sabi mo, ay, sobra akong, hindi ko makakalimutan to.
Sa PvP.
I'm having a movie.
Siguro nung mga time na, hindi to mga 2 years ago yata to. Alam ko na post ko pa to sa page. Kasi yung time na nasa chill MP pa ako, talagang nagra-random queuing lang ako sa tuwing MP. Alam mo, Saint, ang nakasama ko sa party, 4 pa na Saint. 5 kaming Saint sa party. Hindi ko talaga makakalimutan yun. So, anong gagawin namin?
Kumbento yun. Magkakambento kayo.
Healing for everybody.
At least hindi kayo mamamatay because puro lang kayo heal pero yung epic nga din yung ganun, no? Sobrang epic.
Grabe, oo.
Chill 2000. Kasi yan yung mga chill 2000 lang, di ba? Ay, masaklap pa doon, AFK pa. Ay, nako.
Oh, yes. Mga kasama mo, mga nasa safe zone lang. Ikaw lang yung malabas.
Oo, safe zone lang din sila. Tapos magagalit-galit pa. And let's proceed now. Kanina kasi it's all about the streaming. Now, let's combine about your guild life and the community. Knowing that you're a streamer, kasi in real life naman, when you're actually managing a team, ang hirap na kasi different personalities. How can you actually manage different personalities sa guild mo, sa stream mo, na para na kukompose mo pa yung sarili mo? Oy, Cheska, kalma, breathe in, breathe out. Iba ugali niya, iba ugali ko. How do you actually manage those?
Yun, magandang tanong yan. Yung, sa ngayon, medyo medyo parang, anong tawag doon? Natatone down ko na, na-adjust ko na talaga yung emotion ko. Kasi before talaga, pag meron akong hindi nagustuhan, sa guild, sa chat, hindi ako nagustuhan, nakikipag-away talaga ako. Ayan, alam nila Herlin yan. Nakikipagsagutan talaga ako whether lalaki yung kausap ko, nakikipag-away. Ngayon medyo, na lang.
Kinakalma mo na.
Tinatawanan ko na lang sila.
Oh my God, Cheska, dumarating na sa punto na may 15 additional questions ka na dito based sa data natin. Mukhang dumadami ang mga tanong kay Cheska later. Mukhang delikado.
Parang gusto niyo hanggang alas 12 tayo,
Guys, kalmahan lang po natin. But then again, it will be filtered out later by the events team. So, meron tayong team na kumukolekta ng mga comment section niyo dyan. Huwag kayo mag-alala, guys. Now, on a specific, sabi mo, dumarating ka sa point na nakikipag-away ka pag may ganitong buwisit na personality. we all know na yung Rome ngayon, Rome dati hanggang ngayon nabubuhay sa drama. When there is a specific issue or drama of a certain guild, certain personality, intense rivalry, what is the most craziest Rome drama na hindi mo makakalimutan na you can say na kahit magsara si Rome, mareremember ko to?
Yung totoo.
Oo, yung totoo.
Wala. Pwede ko ba sabihin yun?
Ano, wag ka na lang,
Yung
siguro,
mga-
wag
yung
na lang
mga
tayo maglagay
issue.
ng name drop, but then again, a specific moment, parang just don't drop names.
Ang hirap sagutin, my God. Siguro yung mga issue na lang na na nag-aaway sa mga boss at ganyan.
Hanggang ngayon, actually, meron pa rin akong member
Hanggang
ng
ngayon,
pag-away sa
hanggang
boss.
ngayon meron pa din eh.
Yung mga boss hunt series na, ayoko na lang sabihin, bawal sa TV. Baka maban pa tayo. Wag na po guys, wag na po nating
Kaya nga
panuwatin.
eh.
Wag na natin masyadong intindihin
Baka
yung
iba
mga
yung
away.
masabi ko.
Maiba yung masabi namin. So, for the future Rome and hot topics naman tayo, Cheska. So, Rome has been around for how many years? 7 years?
8.
8 years. So,
Okay.
you're one of the pioneer ba? I mean, you started day
Since
1.
day 1.
Diba? Kukunti na lang kaming day 1, guys. Kung day 1 kayo, comment na lang kayo dyan na day 1 din kayo, okay? For the surviving waves of new mobile MMORPG, kasi knowing na merong mga release ng mga bagong MMORPG na quite interesting. What do you think is the secret juice or secret thing that Eternal Love or Ragnarok Eternal Love is doing to make it alive and kicking as of today? Kasi we're still alive, the community is still alive, even though we're dropping in numbers, the loyalistas, the game is still there, the update is there. What do you think is the secret juice that the Ragnarok has been doing?
For me, it's Missy.
Missy?
Kasi yung pagiging hands-on niya sa mga players, yung between players and devs na lahat ng mga comments natin regarding sa game, napaparating din naman niya. Parang yun yung talagang nag-aano sa ROM.
Player
Kung bakit pa rin
engagement,
siya
no?
mm-mm.
May player engagement. Ang galing talaga ni Missy. Missy, baka naman. Missy, may sinabi kami maganda ngayon, Missy. Beka naman, madagdagan naman. Anyway, so Missy is actually one of, for those who doesn't know, Missy has been our community manager and she's actually one of our conveyor of what needs to be done. She's actually managing the community playbook or what they call this, parang engagement, yung mga parties and even competitions. So her team has been doing so good and we're part of her team as well. So I think, yeah, that's a good answer. She's been doing a lot for the community, and even though some would not be able to appreciate it because nasa back of the house siya lagi. Hello po! It's okay. So, medyo technical to naman, Cheska. With all of the updates of Ragnarok, what certain system or update that you really disagree? Or parang, I don't like this system? Rome feature, to be exact.
Yung masyadong marami kailangan gawin daily, lalo sa Isgale, yung bagong map, yung mga ganon. Pati yung 3,000 mo pa sa, although meron na yatang ngayon, no? Meron na parang instant ngayon din sa Abyss ba yun?
Meron na nga siyang skip.
Mm-mm.
Actually, in certain point, I do agree with you na when you are a long player for a certain MMORPG, sometimes the story or the quest, hindi na siya swak sa atin. Parang, we need to stop on that. But then again, some are actually enjoying the drama and the story behind it. But first, for us who actually play day 1, I do actually agree with that. Sana gawan nila ng paraan. Kasi, we know the story already. Now, eto, Benson and Kurt, our previous interviewee nung last episode, I asked this question. Now, if you're given a chance to become a developer one day, just one day, what will be the specific change that you want to do?
Gagawin ko ng gagawin ko ng instant yung mga mahirap na instance. Kagaya, di ba, meron na ngayong instant easy, instant TTL. Oh, why not gawin na rin natin siya para sa Bugs OS?
Lahat na lang, no? Pero ano yan, BCC ba yan or free?
Yun ang tanong. Pwede naman BCC kagaya nung sa di ba? Sa ET, meron yung 3 BCC lang. Oh. Total once a week mo lang naman yung
parang
gagamitin.
canon, no? Ay,
oo.
Kasi may monster pa rin yung ET ko eh. Nagparan kasi ako kay Benson. Hindi natapos. ET lang yun ako. Nanonood ka man, Benson. Ay, sorry. Secret na pala namin ni Benson yun. Hindi namin natapos yung ET. Ewan ko sa kanya. Ewan ko dyan. So, parang more, if you become a developer, more on skip system. Para nang...
tapos tsaka syempre, natin, ayusin natin yung lag sa GBG.
Tama. Guys, 8 years. 8 years na kaming lag. Baka naman.
Parang hindi na ganun yung lakad,
Kung dati, yung lag natin, 365, naglalag na. Ngayon, 162 lang kami, lag na. Ano na, nag-improve din siya? We need to do something about this. Now, let's proceed with segment wherein your favorite monster will be the star of the night. Favorite monster and why? Let me ask you one question.
Favorite monster, Alice.
Alice? Alam ko yung sagot, pero better share it to share it to the viewers. Why Alice, Cheska?
Kasi siya yung siya yung kinosplay ko last RMC.
Oo, guys, kung nakikita niyo yung niya, yung kanyang DP ngayon, I'm sorry, bigla akong naglag na. Yung DP niya ngayon, and kung nakita yung mga picture, nag-cosplay siya ng Alice. Dapat pinipare ko pala yun. Diyos ko po. Alam ko na kasi yung sagot na to eh. So, on top of Alice, what monster do you think has the greatest design? Of all aspects, strength, aura, the design itself.
Sorry, puro babae yung naisip. Si Zenobia.
Zenobia?
Oo.
Girl power talaga na. The
Girl
villainous
power
power,
talaga.
no?
Gusto ko kasi rin yung aura ni Zenobia eh. Tapos pati yung lakad niya na gumaganyan.
Pati din sa parang yung impression niya sa Zenis. Ang ganda rin. Guys? Gawa na naman ito ng paraan. So, here, let's go for something personal but related to Rome. Yes or no? Bawal explanation. Ready? It's like a fast talk, pero bawal explain.
Yes or no
Yes
lang
or
yung
no?
sagot.
Yes.
Okay.
Have you ever premium fanned or low-key stalked another player's character in Frontera or holding maps? Was there a character? Yes.
Yes.
Have you ever stayed up past 3 a.m. just to settle or talk through guild or in-game drama? 3 a.m. Hanggang 3 a.m.
No.
No. Okay. Do you think true love or genuine lifelong relationship can start inside a pixelated game or an MMORPG game like Rome?
Yes.
Ay, yes. Uy, gusto ko magtanong pero bawal. Have you ever muted your own stream or microphone just to scream in frustration over a failed refine or bad gacha or something a player na mahirap i-handle?
No.
Okay. If a close friend or partner asks you to quit Rome completely for them, would you do it?
Yes.
Oh, okay, guys, ang sarap nito tanungin later. At some point in your gaming life of Rome, this past years, have you ever developed a crack? Just in case that you're not married in a relationship, hypothetical. In some point of your gaming life, this past years, have you developed a crush or admiration to someone in game? If you're not married or you're not in a relationship.
Yes.
Yes? Ay! Guys, magtanong na kayo sa comment section, please. Please. Alright, let's go for personal preference pero not more on personal life ni Cheska. Related pa rin kay Rome. PvP or PvE? Anong mas matimbang?
PvE.
PvE. Gacha luck with zero refine luck or God tier refine but gacha pulse or below? Ano mas mahalaga?
Gacha.
Gacha. Nasa forma ang lakas.
Yes.
Okay. Farming zennies or hunting cards?
Cards.
Cards. Okay. Playing Strict on PC emulator or mobile phone? What do you prefer? PC or mobile phone?
PC client.
PC client. Winning a highly competitive 6v6 or successfully defending your castle in WoW?
6v6. Winning in 6v6.
6v6. Okay, ito mahirap talaga to, Cheska. Ready?
Ready.
Chika or drama?
Chika.
Chika? Ano na drama?
Chika.
Oh my God. Alright, so this is a new segment of the Lumis Playbook Room podcast wherein our guests will answer Jojowain o Jojombagin. So by means
Oh
of
my God.
Jojowain, it means of Jojowain, it's gonna be a relationship or connecting or commitment throughout this. Or Jojombagin, yoko nito. Suntokin ka daw.
Oh
Alright,
my God.
so imagine you're inside in Rome game and you encounter these players and monster. Jojowain mo
Okay.
ba o Jojombagin? Ready?
Okay.
Okay. Sakray.
Sakray. Jojowain.
Jojowain. Corrupt White Knight.
Jojombagin.
Jojombagin. Incantation Samurai.
Oh my God. Jojowain.
Jojowain. Minsan lang sa world boss kasi. Dark Assassin Eremes. Uy, pogi yan nung hindi pa siya. Jojowain, Jojombagin.
Jojombagin.
Jojombagin. Okay? Mil, if you're currently watching right now, my team actually asked this, not me ha, Mil ha. Dutch
Oh
Mil.
my God. Hindi naman niya naiintindihan, di ba? Pwede ba yun?
Ano, Jojombagin? Jojowain.
Jojombagin.
Jojombagin. Alright, Mil. Okay. Alright.
Sorry.
Who's this first? Okay, Gan Molero.
Ay, may asawa. Jombagin.
Jojombagin. Doppelganger.
Jojombagin.
Jojombagin. Ito mahirap to. Benson.
Ay, Jojombagin. Kasi
Jojombagin.
anak-anakan ko siya.
Okay. Ay, ang hirap naman itong tanong na to. Star-Lord.
Star-Lord.
If you stare too long
Kilala mo
at
to?
the
Jojombagin.
Jojombagin. Wala po siyang Jojo. Ay, may ginawa siya. Ano yung ginawa mo? Sakray. So, out.
Actually, ang crush ko kasi sa Rome, si Heinrich.
Ay,
Heinrich.
maganda nga nun.
Yeah.
Maganda
Should we
nun.
do you again?
Design mo, Heinrich, no?
Okay, here's
Okay,
the second.
guys, marami na po sa comment section. Mukhang mapaparami to. Even Cremasy is here at the comment section right now. Alright, let's proceed with the comment section now. Let's check for your questions, guys.
Na.
So for our questions, it's actually composed of in-game. We also have comment section from the previous post. And from the friends of Cheska from her own guild, we also receive comments or questions coming from the live comments right now. So sobrang dami ninyo guys, and my team is actually posting everything as much as they can. As in, lumolobo ang aking Google Docs right now for Cheska. Ito talagang isang Cheska Marie. Ready na tayo? Are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, let's answer or let's ask questions to Cheska. Now, for your first question coming from Ranger, question po, anong oras na imbento ang orasan? My God.
I think, 12 midnight. 12
Guys.
midnight kasi yun yung start.
So, 12 midnight daw, Ranger. Okay na tayo, Ranger. Galing kay Kenny Roche. Bilang isang BTS army sa ating panauhin. Wow, ang lalim. Ano nga ba ang niluluto ni Jungkook?
Oh, actually marami. Pero yung pinaka-paborito kong naliniluto niya yung steam pork.
Mommy, I finally got it.
Hello!
May commercial.
It's okay.
Okay,
Hello,
okay.
baby. Okay. Ano ulit yung sagot mo, Cheska?
Yung suyok, yung steam pork. Yung pinakulo ang pork sa apple, mga ganyan.
Huwag niyong tatanungin isang army, guys. May sasagot talaga. Malas niyo. Okay. Galing kay Joseph Papagayo. Pwede magpara ng Bugs Epic sa'yo?
Oy, nagpaparan lang din ako sa kagin. Shoutout Wizat and Shame.
Eko, galing kay Jonalat. Sabi niya, Lods, kung ang Tagalog sa tomorrow ay kinabukasan, tanong ko lang, kumain ka na ba?
Tapos na.
Guys, ayusin mo nga
Nakapagkape
tanong
na
mo.
rin.
Ayos ang tanong ha, ayos mo ka. Galing from Denden, question po, kapag po nasaktan ka ng kalahating araw lang, tawag ba nun ay half day?
Half-day yun eh.
Anong sagot doon?
Oo, mahapdi yun.
Mali talaga yung mga tanong mga tao dito. Galing kay Reagan Roque, pakitanong na lang din po, pag ba masama ang panahon, kampon ba to ng kadaliman?
Oo. Kasi nananalanta, di ba?
Oo daw, guys. Oo nga ni. Oy, galing kay Herling tong tanong na to. May dalawa siyang tanong. Una niyang tanong, anong pinaka-chaotic na moment mo na nag-uumpisa ka palang mag-stream ng room? Pinaka nakakagulo daw, as in chaotic.
Kasi nag-start ako using cellphone lang. Wala pa akong PC noon. Tapos, yung internet connection namin, sobrang hina that time. Tapos nagde-data lang ako. Alam mo tong tong bintana na to. Dito ako habang naka-stream nakaganyan. para lang merong signal.
Hubble connection. Dahil na open mo yung bintana, tanong ni Gan, Madam Cheska, sino po yung sumisilip sa bintana?
Ay, yung mga tenant namin. So, ganun. Nasa 5th floor kami, guys. Walang sisilip dyan.
Ala, marami ng follow-up question dito kayo, Cheska. Galing kay Boss Pat. Tanungin mo, sinong love team niya noong 2023?
Wala.
Wala daw. Wala.
Wala.
Hirapan na kayo ni Cheska. Wala daw. Okay. Galing kay Miko. Si Netch Ete na streamer na di nagpapautang pero namimigay ng chili garlic.
Nung RMC kasi binigyan ko sila ng chili garlic.
Si Cheska pala yun. Si Cheska pala yung sinasabi ni Miko. Ito naman tanong ni Simon. Kung pipili ka ng 1 BTS na maglalaro ng Rome, sino ang pipiliin mo? Sinong bias mo? Go!
Si V!
Si V. Wala tayong gagawa, guys. Si V talaga yan. Automatic na yan.
Oo.
Si V yan. Sabi ni, oy, si Kurt nandito na. Tanong ni Kurt, sino si Master K sa buhay mo?
Sino daw?
Sino si Master K?
Kayo asawa ng character ko.
O, diba? Ako din may asawa sa karakter hanggang ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung sino yun. Anyway. Tanong ulit ni Simon. Kasali ka ba dati sa Guild Serie GC?
Actually, hanggang ngayon kasali ako eh. Lang ako dun, silent reader.
Same. Okay, tanong ni...
Uy, sino yan?
Sino siya? Sino siya, guys? Sino yun? Yan ang problema pag ibang Discord nyo gagamit, may mga tao. Yan Gan. Yan yung tao sa bintana ni Cheska. Okay. Herlin, tanong niya, si BFF, pa-name drop po nung crush mo. Pa-name drop po ng crush mo.
Wala.
Wala, guys. Mahirap. Mahirap pa aminin ng isang Cheska Marie. Okay, tanong ni John Eric Sarili. Nasaan yung mineral water? Mineral water? Kasi naging icon ko na may tubig ako. Napanood mo ba yung episode 1? So, dahil dyan. Hi po sa tao pong sa episode 1. Sana masaya ka sa buhay. Okay. Tanong naman ni Tom Supremo. Tanong ko lang po, saan po masarap kumain ng burger? Sa CR o sa bus?
Sa bus.
Sa bus daw.
Sa bus parang maiinggit sila.
Ano yung tipong, yung naka-aircon yung naka-aircon yung bus,
Mm.
tapos bukas ka ng mainit na pagkain, nang buburaot ka pa sa katabi mo, sa likod mo. Ay, naka. Mga commuter na nakakalam dyan, guys. Yung mga may mga sasakyan dyan, di makakaalam yan. Mga rich kid kayo, yung side. Tanong ni Jerome Domingo na Pizza. Bakit araw-araw may kaaway ka sa GC?
Ayan, kagil ko yan.
So,
Hindi kasi lagi nila akong binibisit. Kaya yung tinawag na nga nila sa akin ng Cheska Marie, di ba VS? Cheska Marie versus Zero. Yun na yun. Yun na yung tawag nila sa akin.
So, yun pala. Okay. Uy, hindi na nag-update yung events team. I know, guys, that marami pa kayong tanong. So, ewan ko lang bakit hindi mag-update ang events team ko ngayon. Baka siguro finifilter out kayo. So, eto. Ay, meron pa. Anong favorite song ni Cheska at pakisample po sana? Sample.
Hala, kailangan talaga ng sample.
Sample.
Hindi ako prepared. si Stella magaling kumanta pero ako hindi.
To see is to believe. Kailangan makita namin. Ano daw ang favorite song ng isang Cheska? Isang line naman dyan. Let's go! Ubo na.
Inuubo pa man din
Wala
ako,
to sa
no?
briefing namin, guys, ha?
Oo nga, gusto niyo ba mag-rap na lang ako? Sabi ko.
Isang linya lang daw, please. Isang line lang.
Ay na lang, sige. Yung ano, I just wanna love you forevermore. O yun na, isang line na yan.
Ang galing ng isang Cheska Marie. Okay, eto na ngayon. Ay. In connection ng Jojombagin o Jojowain. Jungkook, Jojombagin o Jojowain? Wala. Kung si V ang yung bias, Jungkook, Jojowain, Jojombagin.
Loyal ako kay B. Jojombagin.
Jojombagin daw, guys. Wala tayong magagawa dyan. Okay. Ay, hiningal ako dyan sa mga tanong ko. Walang mga kwentang tanong nung iba. Utang na loob. Ngayon, your very last question. Uy! Kinakabahan ako pag tinanong ko to. Baka last day ko sa podcast. Natatakot ako. Okay. If you were given a developer power right now, sino yung bibiyayaan mo ng Lucky Clover or kaswertihan para makuha niyang lahat? Sinong player ito at bakit?
Para makuha yung
Lucky Clover or what we called yung sobrang swerte. RNG, Paul, at bakit? At bakit siya? Bakit hindi si Benson?
si Kiros.
Si?
Si Kiros.
Ay, bakit?
Kasi siya yung DPS ko sa stream. Kaya kailangan niya swertehin. Dapat malakas siya para mabubuhat niya tayo.
O, diba? Ganun dapat yung
Tsaka
mentality, guys. Ay, may nagpahabol po. Last question na daw, Cheska. Patanong po, galing kay Alem Panda, kung magkakaroon ka ng isang skill galing sa Rome na pwede mo magamit sa real life, ano to at bakit? Uy, maganda to. Maganda to. Ano to?
Safety wall.
Safety wall? Bakit? Bakit safety wall?
Para makaiwas sa mga mapapanakit.
Okay, safety wall daw, guys. So, ayun, nagtatype ang aking events team. But then again, guys, let's end this stream with the good vibes, everyone. So, don't worry because after this stream, there will be a part in which we'll be having a Q&A. So, I'll be asking questions related to Cheska's answers. And the viewers who actually answer the question through the comment section correctly will be receiving codes courtesy by Ragnarok Eternal Love. And for our outro this time, for our segment or last segment, Cheska, paano ba? Ang hirap mag-outro. Ang hirap mag-outro lalo pag if you're enjoying the conversation well. So, what is the best message that you can actually give to the players of the community? A message to them.
Sa akin, laro lang hanggat nag-enjoy. I mean, enjoyin lang yung laro. Hayaan nyo na kayo yung mag-enjoy sa laro. Hindi yung laro yung yung parang yung laro yung magiging cause ng stress. Diba? Kaya nga tayo naglalaro para ma-release yung stress natin. Tapos, yun pa yung magiging cause ng mga away.
ng stress.
Di ba?
no? Parang, lagi natin nakakalimutan na we're playing because we need to have fun. And the game should not be cause of our stress na nagagalit tayo. And that's actually a good message to everyone. Cheska, absolutely, it was really a fun conversation with you on the roam. So, do you have anything to plug or do you have anything to say within your stream? Something that we will be looking forward to Cheska Marivies?
Ayan guys, first of all, thank you Lumi for inviting me here. Kinakabahan pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. And invite ko lang kayo guys na please do like and follow my page. Meron akong birthday stream next week.
Yay! Meron tayo.
July 17. Ayan. Follow nyo yung Cheska Marie PS page.
May pa-BCC ba daw, Cheska?
Premium.
Premium.
Tsaka codes.
Okay na yan. Mahal na rin premium guys. Kasi 500 plus na. Okay yan. Swak na swak. So happy. Pakilagay sa comment section. Happy birthday, Cheska Marie! Yay! By the way, Cheska, thank you so much on behalf of Ragnarok team, on behalf of the Lumis Playbook events team. Thank you so much for accepting our invitation. So, hopefully that we'll be able to collaborate more at the upcoming contents. Thank you so much for bringing joy and also the service throughout the community, specifically on the weekly runs. Thank you so much, Cheska. Bye-bye, Cheska.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
안녕. 감사합니다. 사랑해요.
Okay guys, you do have Cheska na. So she was able to share a lot of information about her personal preference and personal experience at Rome. Now, let me ask you this. So we'll be having one question and the person will be able to answer this question correctly will receive a code coming from Ragnarok Eternal Love. So ito na siya. Ang unang tanong natin, ilagay nyo lang sa comment section. Ano ang sinagot ni Cheska sa jojombagin o jojowain kay Jungkook? Yan. Si Jungkook ba ay jojowain niya o jojombagin? That's the first question. We do have 3 questions, by the way. Second question for tonight. Sa tanong na, bilang BTS Army, ano ang niluluto ni Jungkook? Puro tayo Jungkook ngayon ah. That's our second question. And during the fast playbook question, ano ang pinili ni Cheska? PVP or PVE? So we do have 3 questions, guys. So kindly post the answers sa comment section. Sobrang dali lang yan. And we'll be choosing out the winners after the stream. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching our stream for the Rome podcast. Hopefully that you will always support us because we'll be having so many episodes. And wait for episode 4 because we have invited a guild leader for you. So bye, guys. My name is Louie from Louie's Playbook. See you in our next... Ay, bawal gamitan. Bye.